head on over to backchatchannel.com and we're going to try the new feature. I'll show you the premium later, but let's fill out this information here. Click Start. And here's your new chat room. Now there's some orientation materials there, but I'll show you all that in just a second here. So over on the right side of the screen is the student view, and so I'm going to show you how to invite students. So you click on Settings and Invite, and I could either give students this code or this link. Right? I could also share a code with a co-teacher if I wanted to co-moderate with me, but in this case, I'm going to type in student1 and join as a student so you can see what this looks like from a student view as well as a teacher view. So I'm going to close this. Now here is the space for the chat. So I'm going to type in a question here, maybe a quick welcome and what's your favorite food? Right, click send. And now my students see that question, right? Now, if I click this pin, my question stays at the top always, even in the stream of the chat. And so here I'm going to type a response as a student, and then both as a student and as the teacher, I can click that little thumbs up and give it a like. I could also choose to pin it or to find out more about this student response by clicking the little I button. You could also click on the little gear next to that student to find some more information, like how to private message them on the upgraded version or make them only a reader, not a contributor. All right, so let's take a look at the premium version here. So you can take a look at the differences yourself and see if the $15 a year is worth it for you. Thanks, I hope you found this helpful.